Okay, guys, last and final box. Box number 4. If you didn't see the video for box number 3, I can't speak, I'm choking. We pulled out a sick item. We pulled out, I'm not going to tell you, you got to go watch it. I'll put the link in the description. But we pretty much doubled our money with one single item that was about this big. Part 3, it was insane. Box number 3 was insane. We got an item worth around 200 to 300 and another item worth about 120. So just those two items alone, we tripled our money. Everything else is it's just gravy. It's crazy. So let's just get right into this. Open this bad boy up, see what we got. Now, I could throw this box out. It wouldn't even make a difference. Alright, what do we got here? We got a lot of these. I'm going to probably lock these all together, like these loot bags for like Halloween, and put it on eBay. Make like a listing for like a bunch of them. We got a bunch of those. This is a Beyblade Extreme Top System. Oh, so this is like some sort of tabletop game. That's pretty cool. Seems empty. Oh, it's a Minecraft mystery figure. I guess you don't know what you're gonna get. That's a coin magic trick. I don't know what this is. It says RC car. Should I open it? Yeah, I'll open it. Oh, so it's just like, I guess, pieces to an RC car. I don't know. Angry Birds erasers. Oh, cool. We got Pokemon cards. I'm not sure if this set's any good. The pack is in there, and it is sealed, but it is Sun and Moon Burning Shadows. Pack of Pokemon cards. Maybe we should open those. What do you think? Let me know if I should open those. Let me know if we can get anything good at... Oh, I didn't even tell you what this is. Fidget Cube. I don't know what it is. I guess it's like fidget spinner. They're trying it, but it's a fidget cube. It's in there. Minnie Mouse backpack. Now, this was polybagged by Amazon. So, we'll see if it's any damage or anything. No, it's just a little kid's backpack. Minnie Mouse. Looks brand new. It is. Kids will probably not be using this year. Could have been why it was returned. We got an elephant in a bag. A lot of plushies in this. Oh, look at this guy. Lullabies or something it's called. Good. This is, I don't know. Mystery box. What is all this stuff? Mini batteries? Yeah, they look like mini batteries. A bunch of mini batteries. You have any idea what that is? What's that? It's 2? Have no idea. BTG 1S 3.7 volt 180 megahertz SRX. I have no idea. I'm gonna have to do some research on that. Friction stickers for Dunkin' Yo-Yos. Cool. I remember when I was a kid, I had this this VHS called The Yo-Yo Master, where you teach you how to do yo-yo tricks. It was great. This is a Z Cube. So, sort of like a Rubik's Cube. These are pretty much all by the same, like, looks like the same packaging almost, but they're like, just small, you know, small items. This looks broken. It's a mask. We're getting a lot of these, like, Halloween costumes and, like, masquerade masks, but it looks sealed. It's just a mask. Like I'm not going to open that. This is a balloon. We've been getting a lot of balloons, too. Balloon. Oh, look at this. We got a Nemo. Oh, no, it's not a Nemo. Little Mermaid. This is a Flounder Nemo. But it is Disney from the Disney store. It's a plush. It does have tags on it. It is brand new. Looks like, yeah, 100-meter flying kite line. So it's line for a kite. This is a dinosaur thing, like for a classroom or something. Kind of cool. Happy birthday dinosaur banner. Oh, that's what it says. Happy birthday. These are all very little items. Oh, cool. We got baseball cards. This is cool. I didn't even know this was in here. Along with the other one, too. Oh, no. Not baseball. Football. I'm an idiot. But it is featuring autographs and relics. This is 2012 Topps trading cards. Now, let me know if I should open these. I wonder if anything good's in there. 2012. I'm trying to think. I'm not really much of a sports guy. But let me know if I should open these. I will make a video of me opening them. These are like, these are like glasses. Just novelty glasses of wine glasses. Junk items. This is open. Okay. Bingo chips everywhere. This will go in the trash. Just bingo chips that will be everywhere, so I will not be messing with that. Then we got emotion flashcards. Brand new, sealed. Don't know what those go for. Probably a couple bucks. Nothing crazy. These are transporters for pencils. So, pencil boxes. Good for a teacher. Fidget spinner. They're everywhere. They're like a plague. Got little jelly cat dolls. I'll have to look them up, but you know, these are all like a couple bucks each. There's nothing too crazy about them. Little kid football, like a toddler, play football. Nothing crazy. This is card sleeves. These are 100 max protection. Oh, these look really cool. I'm gonna open these up. They're not factory sealed anyway. I might give these to my brother. Okay, cool. They got like little dragons on them. Kind of cool. Dragon breathing fire. There are 100 sleeves. Probably give those to my brother. What else we got? Call of Cthulhu card game. It is all broken and busted open, but the cards are still in there. So. Yeah. What do we got? We got reverse charades card game, brand new, sealed. You know, these are all low dollar items, nothing crazy. Calvin's puzzle, like a mega Rubik's cube. It's like double the size of one. This is a superhero, a princess kid's cape and mask, so like a costume. Oh my god. Guys, we have a Richard Nixon bobblehead. Oh my god. I don't want to open it. I don't want to open it. I'm opening it. No, I'm not opening it. But that's what it looks like. We have a Richard Nixon bobblehead. Legendary. That's awesome. That's pretty cool. That's probably worth something. Portable wireless speaker of a panda. Couple bucks. Oh, this is cool. But it is open and looks broken. DHL truck. Let's check it out. Yeah, this is open and it's broken. Yeah, so that's a shame. It looked pretty cool. Case is broken. Truck looks broken. Someone might buy it. I doubt it, but might have to go to trash. We got another puzzle. We've been getting a lot of puzzles. Brand new sealed. That's good. 300-piece puzzle of people eating lunch. So there we go. Oh, we got another one of the. Oh no, this is different. Okay, this is cool. This is brand new Dream Collection Happy Twins. This is probably worth a couple bucks. We'll see. But yeah, well, I mean, we're already in profit. It doesn't even matter. We could have literally, this could have been filled with leaves, and we would have been great. 3D stickers. These are pretty cool. What do we got? Some dress-along dolly clothes for the dolls, so you can dress them up. Nothing too crazy. We got play and pack, grab and go, frozen crayons and stickers. Again, more the doll clothes. 3 of those. What do we got here? Something from the oh, I'm not gonna pull that out yet, but this is cool. Wow, that's a big item right there. Not this, but this is a slingshot airplane. Paper airplane with a slingshot. These are ladder golf. I've never heard of it, but it looks like a game. Never heard of it. What else we got here? Oh, this is cool. Is it open? It is open. These are all open. Jesus Christ. Marker airbrush kit. So it pretty much turns your marker into an airbrush. So your kids could destroy your house. Something you might be interested in. It is open. I'm going to have to check out, see if everything's in there. But from Kohl's, $39.99. There's a sticker on there. Here, pay $40 to have your kids destroy your house. Okay. Another one of these we got, but this one's in better condition. This is the funny stacking blocks and stuff. A learning game for your kids. Another one of those. So we've gotten 3 of those so far out of this whole liquidation thing. This is looks to be open. This is going to be an open. Yeah, it's all crushed. And what are you going to do? The dinosaur is missing its head, so this is trash. But what we got here. Oh, this is cool. Oh, look at that. High-speed style train. So it's like a bullet train. Yeah, it's got a top light, LEDs, and that's pretty cool. So it's like a Japanese style bullet train. And this is the big item. This looks, oh, it's open. Oh, this looks so cool. It's a model of I don't even know who this is. Zengapane? I'm sorry, I'm probably butchering it, but that's what it's supposed to look like. But it's open. I hope it's be in there and be. It is completely sealed. Oh, awesome. Yeah, you have to build them. So he is completely sealed. All the parts are here. It is unopened. Awesome. So yeah, I don't know what this is from, but that's what he's supposed to look like. And I think this is expensive. This is probably $60. $50, $60 easy. I'll look it up and I'll put it on the screen. But yeah, between that, the cards we got from the last box, and we probably made $500, tell you the truth. Now, is it worth it? I think so. It's fun. It's like, you know, opening up stuff. It's exciting. It's fun. Liquidation's always a gamble, you know what I mean? I got a whole bunch of stuff I can't sell. I'm probably gonna have to throw in the trash, but we got a few high value items. The rest, it doesn't matter. You know, it'll go on eBay. It'll just sit. I don't care. I'll sit on it. I'll throw it on the ground. Which one was that? Oh, it was just the kid stuff. So yeah, that's it, man. That's all I got for this liquidation series. I had 4 boxes. We opened them all. If you guys didn't check out the other videos, I'll put the links in the description. And yeah, everything I sell, I'm gonna put on my Twitter. So if you're not following my Twitter yet, go follow my Twitter. Everything I sell, I'll update on that. Whether we made profit, whether we didn't, what happened. I'm gonna let you know exactly about that Magic the Gathering set I got, the deck of cards from the championship. My brother said that set alone is worth like $200-300. He wouldn't even sell it because it's like a collector's item at this point. So let me know what I should do. If you didn't see that video, links in the description. Follow me on Twitter, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.